Here's how to make your laundry routine zero waste. Say goodbye to a wasteful, bulky, and messy liquid detergent. Meet Net Zero Strips. With our revolutionary laundry detergent, you can get the same level of clean as top liquid detergents. Use 2 strips for a heavily soiled load, detach 1 strip for a regular load, or use half a strip for a small load. If you are using a front-load washer, tear a strip into pieces and place them in the soap tray. Or toss them straight into the drum. For top-load washing machines, simply drop a strip in with the rest of your laundry. Let the magic begin. Your laundry will end up clean, soft, and fresh. The hypoallergenic formula is safe for sensitive skin. And since no toxic chemicals are going into your laundry, no toxic chemicals are being flushed out into the water supply. Net Zero laundry strips are ultra-concentrated and will dissolve completely in warm or cold water. With Net Zero strips, you can eliminate tough stains, keep colors bright, and restore whites with none of the guilt. Try them today.